Hello students, let's do one problem of binomial distributions. The problem is find the probability that in a family of 5 children there will be at least one boy. That means in a family of 5 children there will be at least one boy, and second one is at least one boy and one girl. Okay, out of 5 at least one is girl and one is boy. So earlier we have done such problems for finding the probability that in a family of 3 children, up to 3 we have done. So it is easy to prepare sample space if 3 or less than 3 are there. But here it is a case of 5 children, so it's quite difficult to prepare the sample space, or it is time consuming. So here we use binomial distribution table. Okay. So here it is given that assuming that the probability of female birth is half. Okay, that means the probability of getting a boy or girl is constant. Okay, so here it is 5 children, so n is 5. If we take every birth as a random experiment, so it is repeated how many times? 5 times. So n is 5 here. And if x denotes the number of boys, because we need at least one boy, so let x denotes the number of boys. So it can take values from 0, 1 to up to 5. The highest value will be our n value, because it is the possibility of 0 boys or 1 boys or 2 boys or up to 5. This will be the maximum value of x. Okay, not more than this, because it is repeated only 5 times, n is 5. So the maximum value of x will be, always remember, it will be n value. Okay. So now we let find the different combination. Okay, if boy and girls are there, here in 5 children boy and girls are there, so it may be 0 boys 5 girl, or 1 boy and 4 girls, 2 boy and 3 girls, 3 boys and 2 girls, or 4 boys and 1 girl, 5 boys and 0 girls. So all possible cases are here. Okay, these are the different combinations. So according to the question, we are asked to find at least one boy. At least one boy. So here x is this, here the probability of getting boy is, if x denotes the number of boys, so it will be half, because it is given that assuming that the probability of female birth is half, so the boy birth is, male birth is also half, so it is half. So we can use probability mass function of binomial distribution here. So the form will be probability of x is equal to small x ncx. Ncx is what? N is 5, so it will be 5 c x p. P is half, p raised to the power x. Q is again half, raised to the power n minus x, that is 5 minus x. So this is our this is our probability mass function. Okay, so we use this probability function to find the value. Okay, so here at least one boy, at least one boy. Okay, not 0 boy. So we need to consider all this combination here. Okay, all this combination. So if x denote number of boys, so we have to take, this will be equal to probability of x is equal to 1 plus up to probability of x is equal to 5. Okay, or we can find it in other way, that 1 minus p of 0, or we can write it 1 minus p of x is equal to 0. Okay. Now for second, at least one boy and one girl, that means at least one boy and one girl. So we need to exclude this two, this and this, that means there will be no 0 boy or 0 girl. Okay, So we need to exclude this 2 and we need to take from here to here. So as we have taken x the number of boys, so in terms of number of boys we will take probability. So required probability will be for that, this is for 1, for second the required probability will be equal to probability of x is equal to 1 up to plus, okay, probability of x is equal to 4, that means from 1 to 4 we will take, okay, we exclude this 2 here for, or we can find in other way, that means whole probability, that means 1 minus x, x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 5, from 1 minus, okay, if we exclude this 2 then also we will get the required probability. So hope you understand this, how to find probability by using binomial probability mass function, okay. So same we can do for 10 children or 15 children, just this will change, okay, this will change and accordingly this combination will increase, okay. Thank you.